Welcome, hello guys. Today we see that how to resolve the error name not resolved. The site cannot be reached. The example server DNS could not be found. How today I will see how to resolve it. Firstly, for Windows 7, 8, 8.1 or Windows 10, we have to go the start menu, then type control panel, network and sharing center, then we have to go the internet local area connection running connection, or you may go to change adapted settings, then click properties, and under networking tab we have to go the internet protocol version 4 TCP/IP4 properties. This may cause for the DNS server errors. Now often DNS server automatically, but we have to try the alternate use following server errors by the Google DNS server. You may try the first one, 8.8.8. alternate DNS server is 8.8.4.4. validate upon exit, close. Detecting problems, any problems, close the troubleshooter, close. Now you have to disable firstly. After 5 seconds, try to enable again, then refresh it. Okay, your connection was interrupted, no connection, error network changed. Okay, we will try to another DNS server, remove it. We have to try the another Google DNS server, 8.672.222.202.220.220. validate settings upon exit, no any option. Detecting problems, correcting configuration. We have to disable first and enable again. Enabled. Now try to refresh again. Okay, the site works fine. Thanks for the support us. Please subscribe us to next tips on any internet options, any internet support. Thanks for the time. Have a good day.